Develop Project Charter. Develop Project Charter is the process of developing a document that formally authorizes the existence of a project and provides the project manager with the authority to apply organizational resources to project activities. The key benefits of this process are that it provides a direct link between the project and the strategic objectives of the organization, creates a formal record of the project, and shows the organizational commitment to the project. The project should not proceed without an approved charter because the scope and nature of the project may not be clearly defined, or the project could progress in a direction that is not in alignment with the organization's objectives. The act of creating an approved charter shows management support for the project and the project manager. If the project starts without the project charter, the project may suffer from the lack of resources throughout its entire life cycle. The lack of resources is likely to lead to project failure, which will likely be perceived as the project manager's fault. Projects are initiated by an entity external to the project, such as a sponsor, program, or project management office, PMO, or a portfolio governing body chairperson or authorized representative. To get the project chartered in the project committee meeting, a sponsor should be a champion for the project and should present the merits of the project to the committee to convince the committee of how to meet customer expectation in this project. The key deliverables should be identified based on the business requirements. The benefit analysis will be conducted to validate project alignment with organizational goals. The business case is required to be reviewed to establish the validity of the benefits. Also, the benefits management plan needs to be reviewed to describe how and when the benefits of the project will be delivered. Once decisions by the sponsor on deliverables, staffing, budgeting, and the completion date have already been made, the project manager should obtain a project charter to link the project to the organization's strategy. Even with external projects, a formal contract is preferred way to establish external agreement, but a project charter may still be used to establish internal agreements. Once the approved contract is received by the project manager, he can proceed with developing the project charter. Chartering a project with multiple vendors is a better approach if the project includes multiple systems. The project charter can be developed by the sponsor. The project manager can accept participation in project charter development. This participation allows the project manager to have a better understanding of the project purpose, objectives, and expected benefits. This understanding will better allow for efficient resource allocation to project activities. When a project has both a project charter, which is used in predictive project, and a project backlog, which is used in an agile project, the project is considered as a hybrid project. The backlog is prioritized by the product owner or the project manager if the product owner is not available. The requirements are provided by the customer, while the implementation of those requirements and sharing technical details with stakeholders is the responsibility of the project team. To formalize this authority and to gain commitment and acceptance for the project manager should obtain the project charter approval from the sponsor. Once the project manager obtains the approval of the project charter, he should share it with the stakeholders to ensure there is a common understanding by the stakeholders of the key deliverables, milestones, and the roles and responsibilities of everyone involved in the project.